Have you ever wondered why ginger tea is often called a healing remedy in a cup? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're diving into the world of this spicy aromatic beverage to uncover the 8 amazing benefits of drinking ginger tea every day. From soothing your tummy to boosting your immune system, ginger tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits wrapped in delightful warmth. So, grab your favorite mug and let's steep ourselves into the world of ginger tea. But hey, before we spill the tea on these incredible benefits, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest health and wellness videos. Now, let's get brewing. Benefit 1. Digestive health. Ginger tea, a time-honored remedy, has been widely recognized for its positive effects on digestive health. The key to its efficacy lies in gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When you sip a cup of ginger tea, you're not just enjoying a warm beverage. You're participating in a natural process that soothes and supports your digestive system. The benefits of ginger tea on digestion are not just anecdotal, they are backed by scientific research. A study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that ginger helps speed up gastric emptying. This is particularly beneficial for people experiencing discomfort after eating. By accelerating the movement of food from the stomach to the small intestine, ginger tea reduces the risk of heartburn, indigestion, and stomach discomfort. Furthermore, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can be a boon for those suffering from inflammatory conditions of the gastrointestinal tract. It works by calming the digestive system and reducing the severity of symptoms associated with conditions like gastritis. To bring this benefit closer to home, consider the story of Emily, a 30-year-old graphic designer. Emily struggled with chronic indigestion and bloating. After trying various remedies with little success, she turned to ginger tea. To her surprise, drinking a cup of ginger tea 20 minutes before meals significantly improved her digestive comfort. Emily's experience is a testament to the power of this simple yet effective remedy. Benefit 2. Immune system boost. Moving on to the second significant benefit of ginger tea, its role in boosting the immune system. The immune-boosting properties of ginger are largely attributed to its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your body's cells. Scientific research supports the immune-enhancing properties of ginger. A study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine highlights ginger's ability to enhance the immune response. The study notes that ginger's antioxidant properties play a key role in strengthening the immune system, making it more effective in warding off infections and diseases. An interesting fact about ginger tea is that it's not just the ginger that boosts your immune system. The simple act of drinking warm fluids, like tea, can help soothe a sore throat and clear nasal congestion, providing additional immune support. A practical tip to maximize the immune-boosting benefits of ginger tea is to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that works in tandem with ginger to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Benefit 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a go-to natural remedy for reducing inflammation throughout the body. The secret behind its effectiveness lies in the compound gingerol, which is found in ginger. This compound is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research has consistently supported the anti-inflammatory benefits of ginger. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrates that ginger can significantly reduce inflammatory markers within the body. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can be simple and enjoyable. For maximum anti-inflammatory benefits, it is recommended to drink ginger tea at least once a day. You can enhance the anti-inflammatory effects by adding ingredients like turmeric, which is another powerful natural anti-inflammatory agent. A morning cup of ginger and turmeric tea can kickstart your day with a strong anti-inflammatory boost. Benefit 4. Pain relief. Moving on to the fourth benefit, ginger tea is also effective in alleviating various types of pain, including menstrual pain, muscle pain, and even migraines. The pain-relieving properties of ginger are attributed to its ability to inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandins, which are lipid compounds that have a role in pain and inflammation. To make ginger tea more effective for pain relief, consider brewing it with fresh ginger root rather than using pre-packaged tea bags. Fresh ginger contains higher levels of gingerol. Additionally, you can add honey, which has its own pain-relieving properties, to enhance the taste and therapeutic effects of the tea. Benefit 5. Weight management. Ginger tea has gained attention for its potential role in weight management, particularly in aiding weight loss. The mechanisms behind ginger's impact on weight are multifaceted. Primarily, ginger is known to enhance thermogenesis, which is the body's way of burning calories to create heat. This process plays a crucial role in weight loss as it boosts metabolism, allowing the body to burn more calories. Several studies have highlighted the effectiveness of ginger in weight management. A research article published in the Journal of the Science and Food of Agriculture found that ginger supplementation significantly reduced body weight, waist-hip ratio, and the hip ratio in overweight individuals. Another study in the European Review for Medical and Pharmacological Sciences reported that ginger intake reduced body weight, waist-to-hip ratio, fasting glucose, and insulin resistance index in obese individuals. Benefit 6. Heart health. Ginger tea's benefits extend to improving heart health. The compounds in ginger, particularly gingerols and shogaols, have been found to have heart protective properties. These compounds help in lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood clotting, and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, all of which are crucial for cardiovascular health. Scientific studies have provided evidence supporting ginger's role in heart health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that a daily dose of ginger reduced the risk of developing heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels and preventing blood clots. Another study in the Journal of Dietary Supplements reported that ginger supplementation resulted in significant reductions in cholesterol levels, suggesting its potential in managing cardiovascular risk factors. To incorporate ginger tea into a heart-healthy diet, one can try a simple recipe. Steep freshly grated ginger in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C, and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. This simple ginger tea recipe not only tastes great, but also contributes to maintaining a healthy heart. Benefit 7. Stress and anxiety. Ginger tea is not only a beverage for physical wellness, but also a natural remedy for reducing stress and anxiety. The calming effects of ginger tea on the mind and body are attributed to its warming properties and the presence of certain compounds that can help soothe the nervous system. When consumed, ginger tea can help in lowering stress levels and promoting a sense of relaxation. Experts in the field of psychology and holistic health often recommend ginger tea as part of stress reduction and anxiety management routines. The act of sipping a warm cup of ginger tea can be inherently soothing, and the compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, have been found to have mild sedative effects which can help in reducing anxiety levels. A relaxing ritual that many find beneficial is to drink a cup of ginger tea in a quiet, comfortable space. This can be especially effective in the evening as a way to wind down after a stressful day. The warmth of the tea, combined with the calming properties of ginger, can create a peaceful atmosphere that aids in relaxation and stress relief. Benefit 8. Blood sugar regulation. Ginger tea also plays a role in managing blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial drink for those concerned with blood sugar regulation. Ginger has been found to have a positive effect on insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels, which is crucial for the prevention and management of diabetes. Medical studies have provided evidence supporting the role of ginger in blood sugar regulation. A study published in the Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research found that ginger supplementation significantly improved fasting blood sugar in type 2 diabetic patients. Another study in the journal Complementary Therapies in Medicine reported that ginger was effective in reducing HbA1c levels, a marker for long-term blood sugar control. A helpful tip for using ginger tea to regulate blood sugar is to consume it in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before meals can be particularly effective, as it can help in moderating blood sugar spikes that occur after eating. And there you have it, folks, the 8 remarkable benefits of drinking ginger tea every day. From aiding digestion to keeping your heart happy, ginger tea is not just a beverage, it's a daily dose of wellness. We hope this video has inspired you to include this zesty, health-packed drink in your daily routine. Remember, a cup of ginger tea a day can keep a whole lot of health concerns at bay. So why not start your ginger tea journey today? If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep sipping on that ginger tea. Cheers to your health.